Now, a political storm over Amazon Prime web series Tandav has now escalated again. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has sought clarification from Amazon on its web series content today. In fact, a case has also been registered against the director, writer, producer and Amazon Prime India head in Lucknow's Hazratganj police station under various sections of the IPC and the IT Act. In fact, the FIR is registered for hurting religious sentiment and indecent depiction of the Prime Minister. The political thriller is accused of mocking Hindu gods and hurting Hindu sentiments. BJP and a section of the Twitterati have objected to a particular scene wherein actor Muhammad Zishan Ayub plays a stage performer appearing as Lord Shiva. BJP MLA Ram Kadam urges countrymen to boycott Amazon products and Prime Video app.
कोई भी देशवासी और विश्व भर के तमाम हिंदू भाई अमेज़न का प्रोडक्ट न खरीदें, अमेज़न प्राइम वीडियो का ऐप डिलीट कर दे ताकि इनको सबक मिले किसी भी धर्म की आस्था और श्रद्धा के साथ ये खिलवाड़ नहीं कर सकते। अमेज़न को माफी मांगनी होगी और अमेज़न के खिलाफ पुलिस को शिकायत दर्ज करनी होगी।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है, नरेंद्र मोदी देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं, उनका बनाया हुआ सेंसर बोर्ड है। हिंदुओं के सबसे बड़े अलंबरदार खुद नरेंद्र मोदी और आरएसएस है। सेंसर बोर्ड तय करेगा। अगर उसमें हिंदुओं की भावना को आहत किया जाता है तो सेंसर बोर्ड को इजाजत ही नहीं देनी चाहिए।
दोषी जितनी फिल्म वाले हैं उससे ज्यादा तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है। सूचना प्रसारण मंत्रालय के अधीन ही तो सेंसर बोर्ड आता है। सेंसर बोर्ड कहाँ सो रहा था? क्यों उसने जारी किया ये? तो क्या सबको निकाल के बर्खास्त करेंगे या फिर भाजपा की सोची समझी साजिश है कि किसान आंदोलन चल रहा है, कुछ ऐसा होता रहना चाहिए, इसलिए किया जा रहा है?
तांडव, अगर मैं सिनेमाटोग्राफी और इसके हिसाब से कहूँ तो डायरेक्शन वायरेक्शन की बड़ी कमियां हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी मैं सोचता हूँ कि हिंदुस्तान में संभवतः कोई मजहब और समुदाय अब अछूता नहीं बचा है इस महामारी से, जहाँ छोटी छोटी चीज पर धर्म खतरे में आता है, मजहब खतरे में आता है।
Cutting across to Pankaj Upadhyay, reporting live from Mumbai. Pankaj, the row over the Tandav web series has now escalated to a point. FIR has been filed under various sections of the IPC. Have the makers of the series responded to it? Any of the actors? Has Saif Ali Khan said something about it? And how did it, if it was sensitive, how did it get clearance in the first place is what the opposition asks.
Yes, Nabila. Right now I'm outside the BKC police station in Mumbai, and this has taken a political turn because the Bharatiya Janata Party in Mumbai has taken a very, very aggressive stance on this. Yesterday, BJP MLA Ram Kadam had said that there's going to be action on the streets, and today he is here at the BKC police station registering a complaint. He's here with his many supporters, and they maintain that after the police station, they are going to march to the Amazon office, and then they will ask the officials present there to apologize. And by the time that is not done, the boycott of the web series Tandav is going to continue by the BJP. And now, as far as Ram Kadam is concerned, continuously he has been making statements and releasing videos with regards to the controversy over this web series. And he says that unless, of course, the officials of Amazon apologize in public, then they are not going to leave their stance. The BJP also maintains that this has become a trend of sorts in Mumbai and various other areas where the religious sentiments of the Hindus are being hurt. So from here on, they say they are not going to accept this. And particularly we saw how Ram Kadam had targeted Saif Ali Khan. He said that it's been increasingly seen that he's being a part of controversial ventures. He's also targeted many Bollywood personalities, saying that they need to put a stop to making controversial series. And he has also said that Ali Zafar, the maker of the web series, at the same time the producers and the actor who's been at the center of the controversy, need to apologize to the people. Otherwise, there's going to be more action on the streets of Mumbai. And as of now, let me apprise the viewers, BJP MLA Ram Kadam has just come out. He should be giving a statement now. And after that, as he has said, he is going to march along with his followers to the Amazon office, and then they are going to sit in a dharna inside the very Amazon office. So this controversy refuses to die down. And as I said, this has now taken a political turn. Yesterday itself, a member of parliament from Mumbai Northeast, Manoj Kotak, had in fact written a letter and spoken to the Information and Broadcasting Ministry, and he had referred through his tweet that they were moving positively in the direction where perhaps the regulatory guidelines would now be drawn for the various OTT platforms.
Thank you very much for joining us with those details on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.